Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with the Crew. And today is my official grocery haul. And only reason I'm doing this because I'm gonna grill. So here we go. We have some hot dog buns, and we have some hamburger buns, and we have some cookies for the queen. And she got a bag of potatoes, and we have two Banto pineapple drinks, one for me and one for her. And bought a gallon of milk and a gallon of Milo's tea. And Walmart didn't have any beef here, so we got some Angus and beef patties, 24 count. They seasoned already. So we're gonna do these on the grill, probably like a little light salt, light pepper. And we also got some sweet Italian sausage to go on the grill along with the hot dogs. So that's why we have hamburger buns and hot dog buns. So if y'all want to see how I do this, stick around and we'll be back. Hey crew, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with the Crew. Today's video will be a cook with us. I'm doing sweet Italian sausage, hamburger patties that I season with salt and my own personal season. And I hope that y'all can be able to get some of that soon. And I also did some ribs in the casserole cooker, and that will be near the end of the video. And we just want to thank y'all for the constant support and the love that we get from y'all. I hope y'all enjoy the video. And a lot of times on the video when I'm recording, it be noise in the background. So I just give y'all some nice, smooth, laid back music that y'all can enjoy. And I always put the instructions on the screen. So enjoy the video and enjoy the music. And give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go. I want it, yeah, I need it, and I'm on it, I'm on it. Are you the same? 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 Are you the the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same?
This the finished look on the ribs, and if you made it all the way to the end of the video, hashtag cooking with the crew in the comment section, and we out. Peace.